Face pulls might be the single best bang for buck posture exercise there is, and one of the most commonly butchered. All you need is a resistance band and a door. Everything you do at a desk happens in front of you, so the front of your shoulders gets strong and tight, while the back, rear delts, mid and lower traps, external rotators, goes weak. Face pulls train exactly those neglected muscles, pulling your shoulders back into the position good posture needs. Step 1. Anchor your band at about face height. A door anchor works perfectly. Take an end in each hand with your palms facing each other, and step back until the band has tension with your arms extended. Step 2. Pull the band straight toward your face, elbows high and flaring wide, hands pulling apart so they finish up beside your ears, like you're showing off your biceps. Feel the squeeze between your shoulder blades and in the back of your shoulders. Step 3. Pause for a second or two in that end position. That pause is where the postural muscles actually learn. Then let the band back out slowly and with control. 3 mistakes. Don't let your elbows drop. Low elbows turn this into a row, and your rear delts get nothing. Keep them at shoulder height or above. Don't lean back and turn it into a bodyweight exercise. And don't rush. The 1-second pause at your face is most of the value. The dose: 3 sets of 15 with a light band and strict form, 3 to 4 times a week. Face pulls reward high reps and honesty. If you can't pause at your face, the band is too heavy. Posture 12 programs pulls like this into your weekly routine automatically, free. Links in the description.